Grace. How you doing? So today we're going to talk about my favorite sauces and spices and some dry goods. Let's have a look, shall we? Let's start with the oil that we will use frequently, and I really love to have the extra virgin olive oil that's locally made, and to just buy the small amount so it's not going to go rancid because you put it in there for a long time. And next that I like to use is the pure sesame oil, and to make really nice salad dressing sometimes I will use this red wine vinegar, and of course I always have the organic apple cider vinegar with vegetarian black vinegar. It's really good for dipping your dumpling. And the typical soy sauce or the low salt tamari soy sauce. Last but not least, my favorite vegetarian mushroom oyster sauce that really adds a lot of flavor. One thing I haven't actually tell you is this bottle that I have is a pomegranate molasses that really adds a lot of flavor and tangy taste into the salad dressing that I frequently use in the summertime. Next, we'll talk about the seasoning, and we'll start from salt, pepper, sugar, the sweet things first. Other than the raw sugar, I would always have as one of the staples is the maple syrup, and this is something that I treasure very much, is the 100% pure regional honey from my friend. Rock salt, sea salt. This cooking salt is not to be confused with the table salt. Never use table salt in the cooking. They are different. I will explain that later on. I always have the whole peppercorn and grind it as I need it with pepper grinder in the kitchen. And talk about the extract, I would have my favorite almond extract and also vanilla extract, rose water and aniseed essence. These are just to give you an idea what you can have in the kitchen. As for spices, these are the ones that I have always. Allspice, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, ginger, paprika, and turmeric. In the packet, I will have the curry paste, or this type of curry paste that I can use quickly when I already have the other ingredients ready in the cooking. And my favorite sesame seeds, black or white, and poppy seeds. The three basic tinned legumes that I will have is the chickpeas, beans, and lentils. Now let me show you some of the dried fruit that I have. Especially when you can't get it in season, the dried fruit will be a convenient one to have. Here is some lovely Chinese dates, different kind of dates, raisin or Santana, dry figs there, and some dry papaya or pawpaw. These are ginger and cranberry. And of course there are so many different types that you can have. Go and have a look in the shop, grab whatever take your fancy, and have them ready in your pantry. And when you want to make something nice, they're there for you. So there you have it. I hope you like it, the things that I keep, and that you can do the same thing too, or you can add any of the little ones that you love to have in the kitchen for you to use. Until then, be well, be happy. And if you have any questions, please ask, and I'll do my best to answer you. Or go to my website, misseygrace.com, to have a look at some really nice recipe that you can use with the ingredients that you have in your kitchen. See you later.